Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. And basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use an application or we can use a gesture. And let's get started with using the application. So open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and right here we have ambient sound control. So, to enable transparency mode, just tap the transparency mode, and we just enable it. But as I said previous, we can also use a gesture, and by default, you need to press and hold the touch areas on your left or right earbuds. And the touch area is located at the back side of the earbuds. So I'm just press and hold on it, and firstly I will enable ANC, and if I press and hold again, I will enable transparency mode. Also you can enable wind noise reduction if you need it. Just press at this slider near to the wind noise reduction, and you need to use transparency mode or ANC to use it. You can't use it with normal mode. Also I will show you how to change this gestures function. So by default, as I said, it used press and hold, but you can scroll down and go to the controls. Right here we have it, but you can set it to another gesture. Let's say you want a single press, you just select the left or right earbud, tap on it and click at the ambient sound. Also right here you can select between what mode you will swap. You can add a normal one if you want to, and then you just go back. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.